Hello, Studio Lorian. This is the video response for your video. And this is the thing that I came up with, and I think it looks close to Lorian. And I'm gonna add an eye pin right now. And I think he's pretty cute. And this is the side. Whoa, hello. And I made the tail and I textured it so it would look as if it was fluffy. And he's sitting up straight like that. And I think he's pretty cute. Yeah, so I hope you liked it, and bye.